This is the Nemesis Coupe, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unclog your sunroof drains on your 2014 to 2016 Nissan Rogue. Now this excludes the 2014 Nissan Rogue Select. That is still the previous body style that they kind of overlapped. So this only pertains to the 2014 Rogue all the way up to 2016. 2017 is when they got the facelift and they kind of revised the issue. But here, if your headliner looks like this, chances are your sunroof drains are probably clogged. And what happens is that water sits up top in the tray and spills over into the cabin while you're driving. So what you're going to want to do is remove the cowl, the wiper blades, and the wiper blade motor. And that'll give you access to the driver's side. Removing the motor will give you access to the driver's side drain. But there are going to be circular tabs or circular stoppers in those plastic drains in the firewall. You're going to want to cut those out with a set of dikes and remove them, and take a pick and grab a pitcher of water or a cup of water and another person, and have them pour water down those drains in the opening right there in both corners where the sunroof drains are, and have them pour that water in, and that'll force everything out when you get in there with the pick and start chipping away at all of the dirt and debris that's built up over time. In just a second, I'm going to show you just what I mean by that. Now, like I said before, they kind of revised this in 2017, but here, 14 to 16, for some reason, it's a very common problem. So once you get that circular tab removed, here we're trying to pour water down to see if it'll work its way out. It does not. It has been packed in there for quite some time. So I already cut away the circular piece, and I'm going to take a pick and start chipping away at it while my assistant helps to pour water down the drains to break all that loose. And it'll probably take a couple times. I usually grab at least 2 or 3 cups of water just to pour down there and get all that out. But yeah, and it'll start rushing. Yep, right about now. Once it looks like that, 9 times out of 10, you're probably good to go. There might be some stragglers coming down, but for the most part, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helped you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and catch you guys next time.